Hey y'all, this is Destiny from Destiny's Diamond checking in with my first YouTube review. So, of course, if you have not checked out my podcast before I do anything, I gotta plug myself. Make sure you check out my podcast. My podcast is available on iTunes, on Google Play, and on YouTube. It's Destiny's Diamonds. Make sure you spell that right. Destiny's with an S, Diamonds. Now, if you've been listening to my podcast, then you know that one of my sponsors is Royal Crown Extensions. And so, in an effort to continue to support young entrepreneurs and other brands, I am going to do a day one review of the hair. So, I ordered from Royal Crown Extensions. I ordered the Kinky Curly texture. I have a 16, 18, and a 12-inch closure, and so I'm bending my head so you can see the closure. The hair was installed by my hairstylist Jamie, hairstylist by Jamie on Instagram. Make sure you check her out. But here are my first day thoughts. The hair is very soft. It is very soft. The curly kinky texture, I put a little mousse on it the first day. Well, Jamie put a little mousse on it, and it was really nice. I haven't had hardly any shedding, very minimal shedding, no smell. I did not wash these bundles. I know I was supposed to, but I did not wash these bundles. Before I put them in, they were literally straight out the package and straight in my head. And I really like them. I have a really good install, so I don't have a lot of space and a lot of room. Thank you to Jamie. Jamie hand plugs her closure, so this closure was kind of hand plucked by Jamie, and it's not wet now. So this is it's 5 o'clock here in Detroit, so this is after wetting it this morning, being out running around with the kids. And this is kind of the state of the hair in its dry state. It's very pretty, very shiny, very soft. I have had, very little shedding, and so overall, I have to give it like a 10 out of 10. I don't know how things are going to be. You know how hair is when it's fresh, it's great, but y'all know I'm going to come back with a review. I'm going to give it like a 2-week review and then another 30-day review to let you guys know how it is holding up. I will make sure to put both Royal Crown Extensions in the bio, in the description below, as well as Hairstylist by Jamie. Y'all just can't book up all y'all appointments with Jamie because I need mine when it's time for me to get this head tightened up. So do not book up all of my appointments. But overall, I'm very happy with the product. I don't even have any edges out. Jamie made sure to make edges from the closure and gel those down. And I didn't gel them down today. This is from yesterday. So I'm very happy. And you can see that Jamie has, trimmed the hair in the front. So it has like a slight bang in the front. And I have a middle part, which I never ever wear. But I'm overall really happy with the product that I have. And I'm very proud to be representing not only my brand, but representing those young entrepreneurs and representing Royal Crown Extensions. Make sure y'all check them out. They'll be in the description below. This is YouTube review day number 1. I'll check in with y'all in 2 weeks. Thank you. This is Destiny signing out.